Hey guys, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name's Chase. Today is Monday, January 11th of 2021, and today we're going to look at Chainlink, a little bit of Bitcoin, and maybe some Ethereum. We'll take a look at our short-term moves, and more importantly, our long-term moves. So let's go ahead and check out where we're at. So over the weekend, we had an amazing run-up all the way from, what was that, January 8th, a few days ago, 3 days. We were at 14. Amazing run up all the way 1850 over the weekend. Hopefully all around to see that. I'm sure your portfolios were looking pretty good. And now doom and gloom. Not really. This is just because of Bitcoin's reaction. We're going to Bitcoin. It's just having a minor correction, a major correction. We don't know if it's a correction or not. We don't know if this is coming back down any further, but right now it's not looking great, is it? But if you zoom out, look on the weekly Bitcoin chart, we still have a long ways to go to the 20-week. We've never dropped our first candle, weekly candle, all the way down to the 20-week. It's never happened. Even back in the end of the bull run, that was a 45% drop. We're currently just begun, and now are at just under 20%. So nothing out of the norm. This is kind of expected. If you're going to have a big move, you got to have a kind of a pullback a little bit to keep healthy. You don't want to keep having these tall candles that are really going to drop, and then you're going to be in a, you don't want this to happen. This is called the bull market on this side and the bear market on this side. If you look back in Bitcoin's history, 20% candles are normal. So, my opinion, this is no cause for concern so far. This time next week, we could be well back up. And if you look at the Bitcoin on the monthly, we're still good. This is generally not a good sign, but look, we have 20 days. We could be way higher than this in 20 days. This has happened in 2 days. So just when in doubt, zoom out. Again, my name's Chase. I'm here 5 days a week. Never have anything to sell you. I'm just here to help you. So tune in for daily link updates. Also try to keep in perspective with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's the market mover. So if you ever have any questions, just drop them on my channel, see if I got anything for you. Please like and subscribe. That's all I ever ask from you. I'll never have anything to sell you. So let's go ahead and look at a little bit deeper dive on Chainlink. This is our daily chart. After our wick up to 1850, we're coming back down now on the daily. Now these support lines, this 21 day, 50 day, 100 day, 200 day, and on the daily chart they don't have much of significance. On the weekly they get a little bit stronger. On the monthly they get much stronger. But in a bull market, you're generally going to want to hold this a little bit. You can go below it. When you have a sustained down move, you're going to stay below it. But you can see here, even on our move up, we're coming back through these yellow lines, green lines, blue lines. That don't really matter. If you jump up to the weekly, then we start getting a little bit more of importance. Now, Chainlink's still so young, so we still only have the 21-week and the 50-week. We should have a 100-week coming soon this year for sure. But until then, the 21-week is our key support line. As we're moving down, we're at 1323, 1320. We're dropping. I fully expect that this will hold. Now we could have a wick. See these wicks? Who knows where the wick hits? But generally, it's always good when you're having after a big move up and we start moving back down. Hopefully you sold some a little bit. If not, maybe you have some cash on the sideline, and it's always a good time to, not financial advice, but I generally always try to buy some more. After a big move up, it's going to usually come back and test the 21-week. So that's where I would look for support. In the meantime, our Fibonacci tool on the weekly, 1293 is a 0.38. That's a good level. We're really not too far from there. If you want to buy a little bit there, maybe a little bit bigger of an order down here. If we have a wick, 1073, I don't see us going that low unless Bitcoin just really just like gives up for the meantime. In the meantime, I would look for support. I mean, we still have 6. We just started the week, so we'll keep an eye on this every day. But I would fully expect this to be a nice concrete level for us, which is, if you look over here, 1229 right now. That'll change a little bit because it's an exponential moving average, so it mathematically keeps up with all the moves and calculates as fast as it can to keep up with it. So if we keep moving down, this will kind of turn down a little bit, but general, I don't see it going below $12, that 21 week. So just something, food for thought. Now, if we go over to Chainlink, this is our weekly. So if we go to our monthly, it's a little bit different. Looks a little bit more positive to me. Now, what I will point out is we haven't had a bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle since March. That was our bearish engulfing. See this? This is bigger than the previous candle in different color. That would be bearish. The opposite is true if it's bullish. You have a red candle, then a bigger green candle. Look at this. This is nothing. Now this one was almost a bearish engulfing. You can see they closed almost, it just closed a fraction above it. So that's great news. We have 20 days before this closes. If this can close above 1450-ish, 1445, that would be our first bullish engulfing candle since, what did I say? January? A year? And a year. And look what happened after that. And this is on the monthly time frame, guys. These are much more weight and significance than daily, hourly, weekly, even. So if we can close 1450 the end of this month in January, we could be back up here in this time next week. So we could be off the charts in 20 days, okay? So don't freak out on the short-term moves. Just stay strong, stay level-headed. I'll be here every day. Check us out on Twitter, 5Day Crypto 1. The link is below. Let's see our Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Keep an eye on it tonight because we're moving down. If we keep moving down, we could break our low of 86 for tomorrow. We don't want to break below that. But currently we're still good. We've been in this trend channel. Our low of 86, our high of 95 for well over a month. Right now we're at 90, so we're still good. We'll keep an eye on it for tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. It will change again. It'll update 9 hours, 44 minutes. If this is below 86, I think we're in for more downside. If Bitcoin can find some footing here at some point, looks like maybe we're getting a little bit of support off their 21-day. Now, the longer something's been around, the stronger these averages are. So that's could be why Bitcoin is holding this a little bit stronger than altcoins are. It's been around for over a decade, so these lines are pretty accurate. So look at for this level. If we break this, that doesn't mean anything. Daily lines. This is her big support. I doubt we're going there this week or next week, but this could just be a shakeout. Remember a few weeks ago, we were just don't panic. In crypto, especially, your brain is usually wrong. You have to stick to the charts when there's crazy price action. Okay, so don't panic sell. Not financial advice, but usually the worst time to sell is when we're dropping like this, because market sentiment can change on a dime and we could shoot back to the roof. These moves exist to shake people out. We're still in a bull market. This is not the end of the. This is not the blow off top that we're looking in a few years from now. This is a short term move. Stay level headed. Watch the charts. I'll be here every day. Check out some more YouTubers, people that aren't selling you stuff. Look, there's plenty of people doing crypto that know what they're talking about. Watch some more videos. I'm here for you 5 days a week. My name's Chase. let's do the car of the day and our quote of the day, and then I'll let you go. Class dismissed. So car of the day is going to be our McLaren 675 LT. Probably my favorite McLaren. Besides some of the new ones, the Senna and the 765 LT are sweet, but this is the 675 LT. I would love to have one of these someday. Pretty sweet. The track version of the McLaren. It's called the LT stands for long tail, if you didn't know. So a lot of carbon fiber work on this one. Leave some real pictures right here. I thank you for watching this long. I'll leave you with our quote of the day right over here. And let's see. I'll see you here tomorrow. Thanks so much.